What's up guys, Tarek here, aka the Inverse Engineer. Super excited today. I'm about to pull up to a new property we just acquired in the city of Rowland Heights. This was an off-market property that we got from the auction. So it is a foreclosure property. So this is the exciting time where you finally get to go into the property, see what the property looks like, compare it to our assumptions to see how the cost is versus what I thought it was going to be. So it's like opening a Christmas present. Step one when buying foreclosure property, as soon as you receive the deed of sale that shows that you are the owner, you want to go ahead and secure the property or take possession to make sure that nobody else will come back and try to take the property and then, cause a lot of heartache for you down the road. So we're about to pull up to the property. We're about to try to get in, take possession, swap the lock, and see what we got. Okay, this is the backyard. Looks like an abandoned pool. Oh man, lots of work. So this is how I got onto the window. Pop the glass, move the stick, now I'm in. Hey, what's up guys? It's day number 2. I've been walking with the contractors for 2 days now. I did 2 walks yesterday. I did 3 walks today. Pretty exhausted. So people would ask like, well, that's dumb. Why don't you walk with all the contractors at once? There's pros and cons to do that. The pros are that everybody's like kind of looking at each other and like they understand that there's a level of competition, so that may help some or others be more aggressive in their pricing. The cons are that sometimes they could collude with each other and tell you that, hey, contractor A, B, and C, let's make sure we're all around this price. If we don't get it, at least we want one of you guys to get it, which is rare, but it's possible. I actually prefer walking separate. The reason is because I walk and develop my scope of work, which I think it needs to be done, but every time I'm walking with somebody, getting their fresh perspective on what needs to be done. So, by walking it 5 times, one with each contractor and once by myself, I have my initial input of what needs to be done, plus 5 different fresh perspectives. So therefore I take the best ideas, right? I put them together and I update my scope of work accordingly, and I give that ideas I give that list, which contain all those best ideas, to everybody, and now everybody's bidding on that plan. Also, you know, each guy feels that they're getting the special attention. You know, I'm able to kind of talk to them, let them know I want to work with them, I want them to get it. But I also let them know that, you know, you are one of many walks I'm doing. So now that I've done that, I feel like, you know, 5 different numbers will be good to compare against my initial budget. There's a couple of people calling me that they want to walk as well. I may be open to walking again. It just depends on when they can walk. If it's during the week, it's got to be after work. So yeah, I may have the appetite to do so, I may not. Now, more importantly, is to get the scope of work dialed in, send it out, send out the scope of work with all the photos of what the condition looks like so they can kind of reference that. I send it with some example ideas of what I want the project to look like so they can reference that. And I send them a floor plan so they can reference the scope of work in relation to each room name or room number. I'll talk about videos, or I'll illustrate how to do that here, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, guys, catch you later.